Hi friends, welcome to Chem Solution channel. Today we will see about some topic. Now let's go to topic. What is topic? That is group theory. Okay, there is 5 subtopics. They are symmetry, elements and operations, point group symmetry and character table, point group symmetry and spectroscopy. Okay, reduction formula and then group theory applications. Okay, now let's go to symmetry, elements and operation. Okay, in this video we will see symmetry, elements and operation. Okay, there are totally 5 symmetry elements. What they are? There are identity, that is referred as E. Okay, and then axis of symmetry, that is Cn. Okay, and then center of symmetry. Okay, that is sigma, and then center of symmetry, that is I. Okay, plane of symmetry, that is referred as sigma. Okay, and then improper axis of symmetry. Okay, that is referred as S. Okay, first, what is identity? That is nothing but there is nothing is done on the molecule. So all the molecules will have identity. Okay, there is nothing to done. Okay, so that is the operation leaves the molecule unchanged. Okay, so all molecules have identity. Okay, and then axis of symmetry. In axis of symmetry there is for example BF3. Okay, we take BF3 when we rotate 120 degree. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this one is 3. If we rotate 120 degree, we get this first fluorine will go to this place, and this one to this is 3. This operation further will carried out by this one here, and this one here, and then we get starting product by rotating 120 degree. Okay, now totally 360 degree. Okay, we rotate 120, there is we get 3, that is N. Okay, this is N value, so Cn will be C3. Okay, now we rotate in this angle. Okay, we rotate 180 degree. Okay, if we rotate 180 degree, this fluorine remains same, but these two fluorine will be interchanged. Okay, again we rotate 180 degree means then we get starting product. Okay, now we calculate N value. 360 divided by 180 is equal to 2, that is Cn will be C2. Okay, this is axis of symmetry. Okay, this one also we call principal axis of symmetry. Okay, now we take center of symmetry. Okay, now we take center of symmetry. For example, we get some alkene. Okay, difluoroalkene. Now in transposition we get same atom. Okay, for in this axis we see same atom, and we view in this axis same atom. So there is center of inversion. Okay, and we get we have another example also. We take benzene. Okay, now there is center, totally 6 axis of symmetry. Okay, so there is C6 axis of symmetry, and then we have center of inversion. Okay, we also take alkene like fluorine, here bromine, here hydrogen, here chlorine, but here not same in opposite, not same atom in opposite side. Okay, there is no identity. And also we take trifluorobromine. Okay, trifluorobromine like this structure. Now we see from this atom to this atom only fluorine, but this direction not fluorine, this direction not fluorine. Okay, so there is no identity. Okay, these two will be have center of symmetry. Okay, now we take a plane of symmetry. Okay, what is plane of symmetry? There is two types of plane of symmetries. Okay, there is fourth type is plane of symmetry. There is vertical in vertical plane sigma v, and then horizontal there is sigma h. Okay, this H refers horizontal, this vertical refers, v refers vertical. Okay, now we take some example and we see. Okay, now we take trifluorobromine. Okay, now we cut this molecule in this axis. Okay, this will be mirror plane of this one. Okay, so this compound having plane of symmetry. Okay, and then this is sigma v, vertical to principal axis. Okay, and then we take same molecule. This is in plane of paper. Okay, horizontal means this is plane of paper. Okay, we cut in plane of paper, so there is a plane of symmetry, that is sigma h. Okay, now we take improper axis of symmetry. Okay, we see improper axis of symmetry. Okay, that is referred as S. The improper axis of symmetry, that is nothing but if we rotate atom or atom some angle. Okay, if we rotate by some angle and reflect that is perpendicular to the principal axis of symmetry. Okay, now we see some example. Okay, there is alkene. Okay, now there is hydrogen. This also have hydrogen. This is backside hydrogen. Okay, this is front hydrogen. Okay, we rotate 90 degree. Now we rotate 90 degree. Then we get this hydrogen will be in this side. We get like this. Okay, this is mirror image. These two are mirror image but not same. Okay, and then now we use a mirror plane. Okay, we get this is mirror plane. So this is the improper axis of symmetry. That is nothing but we have this one. Okay, I write this one. Now let us consider this axis. There is sigma. Okay, there is carbon. This is 1 2 3 4. Sorry, 4. Okay, we rotate 180 degree. We get like this structure. Okay, this is this one is similar to this one. Okay, this is similar to this one. Okay, so there is improper axis of symmetry. Improper axis of symmetry is nothing but this is we take this example. We rotate to 90 degree. We get mirror image of this molecule. Okay, this is perpendicular to this axis of symmetry. Okay, so we get improper axis of symmetry. Okay, thank you for watching.